So, Jamie Oliver, a man we all Asian fear because he is the only guy who has the ability to make all our ancestors cry just by making cooking videos, okay? Because he messed up so many Asian dishes in the past like egg fried rice, ramen, Thai green curry, and even butter chicken, okay? So he messed up so many Asian dishes. And yeah, what do you guys think about Jamie Oliver? Do you think he's a bad chef? Cause I don't think so he's a bad chef. I think he's a pretty good chef. Cause I used to watch Jamie Oliver's Great Britain when I was younger, okay? I grew up watching that. So and I used to love that. So I don't know why. Maybe because I was pretty young at that time. Maybe, but still, yeah, I used to love his cooking. You know, he used to cook all the European dishes, and I still think he's a good cook until when he cooked the egg fried rice for the very first time, okay? Then he started to mess up. Then he messed up ramen, he messed up Thai green curry, he messed up butter chicken. So yeah, I lost faith in him. So yeah, to me, he's a good cook, but when it comes to Asian cuisine, he sucks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about Jamie Oliver in the comments. So today we are going to look at butter chicken recipe Jamie and Monica, and apparently this video uploaded 7 years ago compared to that video when Jamie Oliver made butter chicken. Actually that's not butter chicken, so yeah, that video was 1 year ago. So yeah, but here's the catch, this video he made butter chicken with the help of an Indian chef. So yeah, and yeah, I have a confession, okay? So I didn't write any script for this video. I'm watching this video for the first time, so yeah, my reaction is going to be natural and random. So yeah, butter chicken recipe Jamie and Monica, let's see how they do. Actually, I'm hoping that this video is going to be good because Indian chef is teaching him how to cook butter chicken. So yeah, let's see how she does. I mean, how they does. So here's my random reaction on Jamie Oliver's and Monica's butter chicken video, because I'm watching this video for the very first time. FoodTube.
What up, food tubers? Mr. Oliver here. Today is
What,
a very
Mr.
exciting
Robert?
day because I am going to get the chance to cook with an incredible Indian cook, the lovely Monica Gawada. Hello, darling.
Okay.
Hi, Jamie.
We're going to cook some amazing food.
The dish is murg makhani. So murg means chicken and makhani means butter.
Oh yeah, she's right. Murg means chicken and makhan means butter. Actually, murga means chicken and butter means makhan. So yeah, it's murg makhani, which means butter chicken.
It's full of
That's
flavor,
true, that's
it's
true.
decadent. So you've got the sweet, sour,
God
spicy,
damn.
hot, tangy.
The color is looking pretty good, pretty amazing.
Tell the story.
You can now.
I'm peeling, chopping.
Yeah, you're peeling, chopping. I can't believe you're following my guide. For a change. Okay, what I need you to do is we'll first make the marinade for the chicken tikka itself.
Oh, she's using chicken thigh. Uncle Roger will be very proud at this video if he sees this video,
I've got your
because
4
he's
cloves
using,
of garlic, your
she's using
inch
chicken
of
thighs.
peeled ginger,
Half of this chili, please. Jamie.
half of that chili.
So
Oh,
make a
good.
little paste of that.
He's not dishing the chili.
Okay, that's perfect.
Let's
Now,
have a look at that.
I've taken
I usually make this too, okay? When I marinate my chicken, I usually do this.
Look at that.
I've taken about 4 tablespoons of Greek full fat yogurt, and I've also added some chickpea flour, which
Yeah,
is
love
gram
that.
flour, so about 2 tablespoons. So just give that a quick
That's a very good technique actually. First, how much yogurt she is using. At that Jamie Oliver video, he only used I think 1 tablespoon of yogurt, but she's using a lot of yogurt and also gram flour as well, which is also known as besan. So yeah, this technique is interesting because many Indian restaurants use besan,
just to
Guys,
blend
if
it
you've
nicely.
never used ground
which is
flour before, it's
chickpea
just
flour.
ground down dried chickpeas.
So no lumps in that, Jamie.
Yeah.
No,
Sure.
no, well, I am now.
Okay. Along with that, just a few
Oh, she's using all the ground spice in the marinade. Like I think, oh, I see Kashmiri chili
ground
powder
spices.
also.
So I'm using some coriander.
Oh, coriander.
That's about a teaspoon. then.
Yeah, a teaspoon.
That's cinnamon, I
Pinch of
guess.
cinnamon. Now this is Kashmiri chili powder.
Yes, Kashmiri red chili powder. Okay, this is the thing I talked in like past 2 videos. It is the main ingredient. You know, it has so red color. Look at that spice. It is so red.
It's got a good amount
So yeah,
of heat as
I
well,
love
but
Kashmiri red
it's
chili
got
powder.
color. It's hot.
Look at his face. God damn.
And you've also got some cumin powder. And this is a pinch of saffron, which actually adds a color to the marinade.
Saffron is uncommon in butter chicken, but yeah, Marinade is all subjective, you know, you can use whatever you want, but yeah, just don't use wrong ingredients.
as well. So in with all
I
the
think yeah,
spices.
saffron will give the, you know,
And
saffron color to the
salt. Great to do
marinade.
this overnight if you can in the refrigerator.
Yep.
But if you can't, even 20 minutes, half an hour is perfectly fine.
Okay, she said it. Okay, she said it. Overnight will be great, but yeah, if you don't have time, just 20 minutes. But I think that will be not enough because marinade will not penetrate the chicken. So yeah, if you want a good butter chicken, then yeah, at least go for an 2 hours or so. Okay, so yeah, overnight will be great. It's more than great, but yeah, if you don't have time, I think at least marinate chicken 2 hours.
So the ginger, the garlic, and the chili in the
So
middle.
far so good, nothing wrong in this
Now,
video.
What do we do next? I'll just stir this
Mix
in.
it, and then you add the chicken to
Okay.
it.
You're going for chicken thighs, about
As
an inch
opposed to-
in size. Why
Oh,
would you do
chicken
that?
thigh.
I think much more succulent cut of meat, and also I find it's still quite moist when you add it to the gravy.
So what's next?
Next, to skewer
Yeah,
them
it will not dry it out that quickly compared to chicken breast.
Okay.
Oh, she's going to cook this on oven, I guess.
Now we'll just grill this.
I-
You want the edges to be nice and charred,
Oh,
and you want the
so
meat
she's
to be
going
quite
to grill in the
moist.
pan?
So once it's done, then we can add it to the curry.
Oh, she's using oven. Very common
Okay, now we make
technique
the
to
gravy and
cook
the sauce for it.
chicken
So
tikka
add
if you don't
about
have
half
any
this
tandoor.
butter in the pan, Jimmy, please.
Okay.
And peel and grate. half
See,
an inch
Jamie?
of ginger and the
Butter.
chili,
You
half
didn't even use
teaspoon
butter
and
in
just
your butter
blend
chicken.
spices julienne.
I don't know why people dish it the chili. I don't get that point, okay? I just don't get that point. Why people dish it the chili? You can't handle the spice of a green chili?
With it, I'm adding a few spices. So I've got cassia here.
Can I have a little taste?
Sure. This is the
Oh,
outer.
That's cinnamon.
Licorice.
Almost like that, but this is the outer covering
Oh, yeah, that's
of
cinnamon.
the cinnamon. And I've got 6
Oh,
pods of
all
green
the
cardamom
aromatic
and about
spices.
4 or 5 cloves. Now this will
We called all the whole spices as khada masala, and it will give the warmth and you know the fragrant in the butter chicken
warmth
gravy.
to the gravy. And they'll start to sizzle in the pan. Jamie, if you could please add the chili and the ginger as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Half of this onion.
So yeah, this
And you
video
don't want them to brown or color. You
she's
just
doing
want
all the
them to
cooking. Jamie is just a helper
3
in this video.
heaped teaspoons of
Tomato puree.
So you
Very
want
good.
that little bit of color. Now the Kashmiri chili powder.
Oh my god. She Maddie didn't use Kashmiri chili powder. That's why his gravy is so red. So this is the real thing. I think everybody use Kashmiri chili powder in their butter chicken in India at least.
So a good heaped teaspoon of that, and a good teaspoon of coriander powder as well.
All the spices,
So
using
now
all the
Are
spices.
going in. So they're going to kind of cook all the way through.
Heavy
this.
cream.
Double cream, and I think in some parts of the world you call it heavy cream.
Heavy
Basically,
cream.
this is the richer cream.
I'm also adding some honey.
So a teaspoon of honey.
There's a few more things that
So yeah, there are two type of people who like butter chicken. Okay, there are two type of butter chicken lovers. One who like butter chicken sweet, and other one like spicy. And I'm the one who like butter chicken hot and spicy. I don't like sweet butter chicken. So yeah, if you like sweet butter chicken, then yeah, we can be friends. Okay, I just love my butter chicken spicy, not sweet. So yeah, sweet is not for me. But if you like sweet butter chicken, yes, honey is good. You know, honey is very good, but don't use sugar. 'Cause I've seen a video I've seen a video where they use sugar
add to
instead
it
of
dried fenugreek
honey.
leaves, fresh coriander,
Don't do that.
and a pinch of salt. So all we need to do is actually add the chicken to the sauce. leave
Oh,
it to sort of soak in all the
chicken
flavors.
tikka looks
So you
good.
can see the charred edges. Those bits
Not
is what's actually going to add all the
That
flavor.
dried okay.
So-
So yeah, it looks very good.
Smells incredible.
Of course it does, because
Wow.
see you so many
Coat all
spices.
the chicken so it soaks in the flavors of the gravy as well. If you can add a little bit of lemon juice,
And how much would you like?
that'd be perfect.
Very uncommon.
And it does
Lemon.
give that curry a nice little finish. The colours are phenomenal.
Yes, god damn, you're right on there, Jimmy.
Outrageous.
That looks amazing.
Got some salad, so I've got a pickled onion
God
salad,
damn.
diced onions, lemon,
I'm salivating.
and just some lettuce.
Simple green lettuce.
We've got our chutneys.
The reason we do this channel is because of this. Boom. Gonna go.
I
some
want
the
a
chicken
bite of that.
sauce. That meat is tender.
Yeah, nice and moist and succulent. Perfect. Yay!
It's so good.
He acting like a baby.
Thank you for coming into the world of FoodTube.
No,
FoodTubers,
absolute pleasure.
How lucky are we to have give us this wonderful, authentic
A
recipe?
pleasure and privilege to cook for
So
everybody
yeah,
and for
that
you
butter
and-
chicken was really good. So that video was amazing. That butter chicken looked so delicious and mesmerizing. The only thing she didn't add in that video was cashew paste. Okay, she didn't add cashew paste in that butter chicken. The cashew paste is also important, but if you're making at home, then yeah, I already told you, you can skip that part. Other than that, that video was amazing. That butter chicken is almost perfect. But I only have one question for Jamie. Okay, she taught you how to make a good butter chicken in this video, so why did you fucked up so bad in your own butter chicken? I don't even like to call your butter chicken, okay? She didn't use any cashew butter or whatever, or she didn't use mango chutney in that butter chicken. Okay, that was just bullshit. So yeah, she taught you how to make a good and authentic butter chicken, but why did you fucked up so bad? Jamie, god damn, I only have one question for you, okay? And yeah, you messed up so bad in your butter chicken, but yeah, she taught you how to cook a good butter chicken. We all are disappointed at you, Jamie. So that's it for this video, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also turn on the notification bell for future update. Okay, just hit the notification bell. And if you're new to the channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, I need 1K subscriber, okay, as soon as possible. Just hit the subscribe button. Road to 1K is still on. So yeah, I'll see you next video. Until then, peace out.